That's where she's blown out. It allows oil to leak right through it. So just hang the gasket over the dowels here. You can take them out for when you clean it. Darker one's steel, the lighter one's aluminium. The darker one's for your exhaust, the lighter one's your intake. Exhaust, intake.